I know, you're sick of the snow. Some areas in Jersey got over 2 feet of snow, and we still have a rain system heading our way this weekend. The melting and refreezing of snow can lead to cracks in your roof or foundation, so the next time it rains, you could see flooding in your attic or basement. If this flooding isn't controlled, you might also see mold growth. And mold can increase the number of spores, cell fragments, allergens, mycotoxins, endotoxins, beta-glucans, and VOCs. All harmful agents haven't been identified, but an excess of any of these agents can be harmful. Flooding on its own can also cause significant damage to your home, but it doesn't have to be so stressful. Not all molds are harmful, and flooding can have many different causes. MMRG prides itself on honor, integrity, and providing a great service for cheaper than any of our competition. We are local, family-owned, and with more than 20 years' experience, fully licensed, insured, and ESA accredited. Our senior inspectors have been featured on CBS's The Doctors, and we've been in the media many times. Most importantly, we love what we do, and we love the great state of New Jersey. So don't let this next rainstorm ruin your week. MMRG offers free mold and waterproofing inspections to all homeowners in New Jersey. How to get started? Simply pick up the phone and call Randy, our senior inspector, at 908-601-1307. Feel free to text or call with any questions. Thank you and have a nice day.